Welcome back to Britology, where luxury meets imagination. And today, imagination is literally on the move. Picture this, your home, but not just any home. A home that travels with you. A home that doesn't just move, it glides, it cruises, it commands attention. This is Luxury on Wheels Billionaire Edition. We live in an age where billionaires aren't bound by gravity, time, or location. They don't just buy homes, they design experiences. And when you've already got a mansion in London, a villa in the south of France, and a penthouse overlooking New York, the next frontier is clear. A home that travels wherever your heart desires. These are not ordinary motorhomes or caravans. These are rolling palaces, each one a blend of cutting-edge engineering, art, and pure excess. They're designed for those who demand comfort at 70 miles per hour and glamour, even while parked in the middle of nowhere. Let's start with one of the most iconic examples, the Marchi Mobil Palazzo Superior. At nearly $3 million, it's considered one of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. Imagine stepping into a 45-foot mobile fortress, made from high-tech materials used in racing and aerospace. The exterior alone looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Aerodynamic curves, LED accent lighting, and a panoramic windscreen that feels like the cockpit of a spaceship. But it's the inside where the magic happens. Once you walk through the automatic doors, you're greeted with a lounge that rivals the interior of a private jet. Italian leather sofas, handcrafted wood panels, and a marble kitchenette. Everything screams luxury. There's even a master bedroom with a king-sized bed, a rainfall shower, and yes, a rooftop terrace that automatically lifts up, turning your vehicle into a two-story luxury suite under the stars. This is not just transportation, it's transformation. It's where mobility meets royalty. And while most people think of travel as something tiring, for the ultra-rich, it's a statement of freedom. Imagine waking up in the Swiss Alps, sipping your morning espresso, and by sunset, you're parked along the Côte d'Azur, dining with a view of the Mediterranean without ever leaving home. These motorhomes are built to make the world feel smaller and life feel limitless. Then comes the Volkner Mobile Performance S, another masterpiece of German engineering. This $2.5 million home on wheels comes with a built-in garage. And not just any garage, it can carry your Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Rolls-Royce right inside it. A hydraulic platform slides out, lifts the car, and tucks it neatly beneath the motorhome like a secret lair. You arrive at your destination, press a button, and your supercar glides out ready for a drive-through. Monaco or a night out in Cannes. Inside, everything is tailored to perfection. Custom furniture, mood lighting, a full kitchen with designer appliances, and high-end sound systems that make your favorite playlist feel like a live concert. There's even a smart control panel that lets you manage every light, curtain, and temperature zone with a single touch. These moving mansions are also designed for privacy. When billionaires travel, they often want to escape the public eye. Instead of flying first class or checking into a resort, they bring their world with them, a world where no paparazzi can reach, no check-ins are required, and no compromises are made. And it's not just about extravagance, it's about innovation. Some luxury motorhomes now come with solar-powered roofs, AI-driven climate systems, and satellite internet connections faster than many city offices. Imagine streaming 8K movies in the middle of the desert, or hosting a Zoom meeting while driving through the Highlands of Scotland. Luxury travel has evolved from yachts that sail across oceans to now motorhomes that conquer continents. The design philosophy behind these machines goes beyond comfort. It's about identity. Every inch is customized to reflect its owner's taste, whether it's minimalist, Scandinavian interiors, classic British charm, or futuristic chrome aesthetics. For billionaires, these homes are more than vehicles, they're moving masterpieces, personal art galleries on wheels. And yet, even with all this technology and luxury, there's something poetic about it. These vehicles redefine what it means to go home, because home is no longer a fixed address. It's wherever you decide to stop, unfold the terrace, and watch the world pass by your window. Imagine a billionaire couple taking their rolling mansion across Europe, from the vineyards of Tuscany to the snowy roads of Austria. Every day a new backdrop. Every sunrise a different painting outside the same window. That's the dream these machines make possible. But with great luxury comes incredible craftsmanship. The creation of these homes can take over a year. Every component is built by hand, every finish approved by designers who've worked for luxury yacht companies and private jet manufacturers. Some owners even request built-in art collections, Crystal chandeliers and walk-in closets larger than most apartments. The level of personalization is insane. One owner wanted his motorhome to match his yacht interior, down to the color of the leather stitching. Another requested a small piano lounge inside. Some even have mini offices, full spa bathrooms, and digital fireplaces that simulate real flames with warmth and sound. For many, these homes represent a lifestyle of ultimate autonomy. You can chase the sun, follow the seasons, and live without boundaries, all while surrounded by the world's finest materials. And here's the best part: the concept of luxury on wheels isn't just for billionaires anymore. Slowly, this culture is inspiring a new generation of travelers who want freedom without sacrificing comfort. Designers are creating smaller, more affordable versions. Minimalist motorhomes that still carry the spirit of elegance and mobility. But at the billionaire level, it remains an art form, a fusion of technology, design, and imagination. It's not just a way to travel. It's a statement that says the world is mine to explore, and I'll take my home with me. So next time you see a sleek, futuristic motorhome gliding down a European highway, remember, it might not just be a vehicle. It might be a $3 million masterpiece on the move, carrying luxury, privacy, and the dreams of someone who decided that the horizon isn't a limit, it's an invitation. Luxury used to be about owning the biggest mansion or the fastest jet, but now luxury is about freedom, the freedom to move, to live, to explore, and to take your world with you wherever you go. Because when your home decides to travel in style, it doesn't just move, it redefines motion itself. Welcome to the world of luxury on wheels, Billionaire Edition. Welcome back to Britology.